going to be doing a video on American Girl, like a cat collection. So first is the little hoodie. So here is the little cat hoodie. It is very cute. It is like a cat hoodie with a hanger that comes with, not a pants, but that also comes with a hanger. So this is like there's a whole cat collection on American Girl. Oh, and there's like shirts and everything, not just winter stuff. And it's so cute. You can make so many different combinations. So that is the outfit, and it's the matching shoes, the leopard shoes. So here are the little booties. They're really cute, and they have little cat ears. So these are gonna look so cute on Julie. So next up, since Julie's here, she got a Christmas present too. She got a mini Julie. So that's kind of like just a mini her. So this is mini Julie. She's very pretty and her hair is very soft. And she's wearing the same outfit. The yellow vest, the white shirt, and the pants. And it comes with the book. So the book is like, they make this, except when you get the doll, I think you get a different book. But that is it for today. I hope you liked it. Bye.